Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is third question of its exercise 11.2. So the question says that a cube is a three-dimensional figure as shown in given figure. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical squares. The length of an edge of the cube is given by L. Find the formula for the total length of edges of cube. So firstly हमें given है length of an edge of the cube. So हमें given है L and next number of edges is equal to cube में edges होते हैं 12. So हमें find out करना है total length of edges of the cube. So total length of the edges of a cube is equal to length of an edge into number of edges. So length हमें given है L and number of edges हमें पता है 12 होते हैं. So ये जाएगी हमारे पास 12L. Thank you.